Hello, welcome to another video. Today I will share a new story about a Mishuk driver named Siam. Please watch this video till the end. Siam is a young Mishuk driver. He is around 20 years old and comes from a very poor family. His family struggles to make ends meet and they live in a small house in the village. Siam's father is a farmer and his mother is a housewife. He has two younger siblings, a brother who is 5 years old and a sister who is only 2 years old. Their family situation is very difficult and they barely have enough money to survive. Since Siam's family was poor, he had to drop out of school at a young age and start working to support them. He became a Mishuk driver, hoping to earn enough money to help his parents and siblings. But over time, he picked up some bad habits that made his life even harder. Siam started smoking at a very young age. At first, it was just for fun, but soon he became addicted. First, he got involved with the wrong people. He started using drugs and spending most of his earnings on cigarettes and other bad habits. Instead of saving money for his family, he wasted it on his addictions. Because of his addiction, Siam's behavior changed. He became aggressive and careless, often agreed with passengers and other drivers. Many times he showed up to work late or didn't come at all. His friends tried to warn him, but he didn't listen. He always thought he was in control of his life, but in reality, his addiction was controlling him. One day, something serious happened. Siam had been smoking and taking drugs the night before, and he was not in his sense. The next morning, he had to drive his Mishuk as usual. But because of his condition, he could not focus properly while driving. He nearly got into an accident with a rickshaw. The passengers in his Mishuk were scared and started shouting at him. Instead of apologizing, Siam got angry and started arguing with them. The situation became so bad that the passengers reported him to the garage owner. The garage owner was very strict. He had already received complaints about Siam before, but this time he decided to take serious action. He warned Siam that if he didn't change his behavior and quit his bad habits, he would lose this job. Siam was shocked. He never thought his actions would put his job at risk. He went home that night and thought about his life. He realized that his addiction was running everything. He was not only hurting himself and also his family, who depended on him. He wanted to change, but it was not easy. The next few days were difficult for Siam. He struggled to control his urge to smoke and take drugs. Sometimes he failed, but the keep trying. Slowly, he started focusing on his work again. Avoided bad company and spent more time with his family. It was not an easy journey, but he knew that if he didn't change, he would lose everything. Siam's story is a lesson for all of us. No matter how tough life is, making the right choices is always important. Addiction can destroy lives, but with a strong willpower and determination, anyone can change their future. That's all for today's story. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this story, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more real life stories. See you in the next video.